Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 make a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to wear on the internal components, particularly the motor or the blades themselves. If left unaddressed, this noise can lead to more serious damage, ultimately affecting the performance of your machine. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement potentiometer, pliers, and a soft cloth to protect your device. To start, ensure you unplug your Thermomix TM31 and place it on a stable surface. You'll need to remove the base cover, which requires unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the unit. Be sure to keep track of these screws as you go along. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover away from the machine. Now, locate the potentiometer, which is usually situated near the motor. It may be slightly tricky to see, but it's essential for controlling the blade speed. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the potentiometer, taking note of where each cable goes. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, use your pliers to remove the potentiometer. You might need to apply a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage nearby components. With the old part removed, take your new potentiometer and insert it into the same slot. Reconnect the cables in the same order you found them, ensuring a secure fit. After that, it's time to replace the base cover. Align it properly and reinsert the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and turn it on to test the blades. They should operate smoothly without any grinding noises. To prevent this issue from returning, make sure to regularly clean your device and avoid overloading it with ingredients. Also, consider using the Thermomix as per the manufacturer's guidelines to extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.